Alrighty guys, these are the elevators here at the Quinta Inn here in Lubbock, Texas. These used to be Westinghouse, but sadly got modded by ThyssenKrupp. There's just piece of glass. What the heck? This actually used to be glass, but now they cut it up. Oh yeah, we're getting off here.
Oh, we are? We are getting off here?
No, I said we're gonna go off here, we're gonna go back up.
Oh, okay.
Used to be Westinghouse, there's still an indicator. I'm kinda mad because this place actually used to be glass. And now it is not. So annoying. Look at that. Westy. We're gonna go back up to 6.
I'll hit it. Oh, we're going back up to 6. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I misunderstood you.
Very weird elevator cow. Look, this actually used to be glass. But then they decided to put this thing over. Look, thumbs down for that. Now we got up here. Look at this. Still a very cool glass atrium. Yeah, cool atrium down there.
See it?
Yeah, we will. Guess I could get these California buttons here. Kinda mad that they took the glass thing out. This is a foreign standard hotel. Just kinda mad that it's got like, hey, I used to be glass, but now it's iron. So I'm gonna do. What's he saying? I don't like this mod. This used to be glass, but it was not. Look at this. This is like literally the cheapest thing you can do. It's just put this thing on now. Could have disappointing that they covered it with glass. And it is, I can't see it. No, they covered the glass officially, like fully. Because if we go out this way, yeah, look at that. They actually covered it up fully. There used to be windows here, but now it's not glass anymore.
Great.
It's kind of disappointing, honestly. But anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.